Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia and this is Heart and Hand Creations and Events. Welcome back everyone. Today's video is a continuation or a part 2 of a jewelry tutorial that I did that I posted last week. So this week is part 2 or the second tutorial on how to make wire jewelry. And this video is a request, just as the last one was, for Danishi. So I hope that this video will help you out, and I hope the last one did. So if you're ready for video jewelry tutorial number 2, stay tuned and I'll be back in 2 seconds. These are the items that I will be working with today. We have 20 gauge wire in copper color, gold tone, and silver tone. We also have a set of tools to work the wire, and we also have the gems. Everything will be listed in the description. Right here, I'm going to demonstrate how I put the ear cuff on. I start off on the lower part of my ear, close to where the earlobe is, because that's the straightest part of my ear. And then once I get it in place, then I push it up into the position on my ear where I want it to be. And that's it. Then you pinch it in place. And as you see, it is pretty secure. And right here is where I continue to make 2 more of the ear cuffs. to add a little more glam to my spiral ring design, I decided to add rhinestones to the design. And here it is. What do you think? Denishi, I hope that this content was helpful to you as the last video, and I hope that your journey in jewelry making is a success. Guys, these are all the pieces that I've made for you today. I hope that you enjoyed the content that I put out for you. Also, if you are new to this channel, hit that subscribe button. Guys, don't forget to tap that notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will know. And look out for the next DIY video. Bye-bye.